Good morning students. Today we will study about the types of frequency distribution series. Till now we have studied about the discrete series and the frequency distribution series. Discrete series are the series in which we have the whole number and the value jumps from one number to another number. In frequency distribution series we have the frequency and how these frequencies works, that makes the types of frequency distribution series. There are 5 types of frequency distribution series. That are: number 1, exclusive series; number 2, inclusive series; number 3, open end series; number 4, cumulative frequency series; and number 5, that is mid value series. Mid value. So these are the types of series: exclusive series, inclusive series, open-ended series, cumulative series, and mid value series. Now how these type of series works? First, that is exclusive series. Exclusive series, when we look at the name carefully, we can draw the conclusion that it excludes something. Why exclusive? What is exclusive? Who excludes something is exclusive. So what this series do? Here we exclude the upper limit of the class interval. Just like the class interval is 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, they are given like this. So what we do in this, we count 10 to 14. How much we count? 10 to 14. We exclude 15. Why? Because 15 is included in the lower class, in the next class interval as lower class. When we talk about this, what we count? We count 15 to 19. Here we count 20 to 24. Here we count 25 to 29, like this. Here also, if someone is, if there is another class upside this, then we start from 11. If no class is there, then we start with 10. So this is how the classes are counted when we talk about the exclusive series. It means the upper limit is excluded when we have the exclusive series given. Exclusive series is that in which every class interval excludes items corresponding to its upper limit. It means every class exclude its upper limit, that is called exclusive series. Okay. Now inclusive series. What inclusive series do? Inclusive series includes the upper limit. Exclusive series exclude the upper limit. Inclusive series includes the upper limit, just like 10 to 14, it is given in this way. 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, all these are given in this way. So we do not leave the upper class, we include upper limit also. Then we have okay, so these are the first two types, inclusive series and exclusive series. Now if you want to convert inclusive series into exclusive series, what you need to do? Or if you want to convert exclusive series into inclusive series, what you need to do? So to convert exclusive series into inclusive series, what we do? To convert inclusive series into exclusive series, what we do? Suppose the series is given in this way: 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. Now what we do? First we find the difference between upper limit of class interval and lower limit of class interval of the next class, just like upper limit of the first and lower limit of second. What we do? We find the difference between upper limit of first interval and lower limit of second interval, that is 15 minus 14, that is 1. Lower limit of second interval and upper limit of first interval. Now then half of the difference is added to the upper limit of the class interval. Now what we do? Half of the difference, 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5. So what we do? 14 plus 0.5, 15 minus 0.5, 19 plus 0.5, 20 minus 0.5, 24 plus 0.5, 25 minus 0.5, 29 plus 0.5. Now the series are 10 minus 0.5 and here 14 plus 0.5. Now 10 minus 0.5, it means 9.5 to 14.5, then 14.5 to 19.5, then 19.5 to 24.5, and then 24.5 to 29.5. In this way we can convert an inclusive series into exclusive series. And if you want to convert exclusive series into inclusive series, you need not to do anything special. You just, what you do, you start excluding the upper limit. Suppose 10 to 15 is given, you write 10 to 14. Then 15 to 20, you write 15 to 19. Then it is given 20 to 25, 20 to 24. Simply you can do to convert exclusive series into inclusive series. But when you need to want to convert inclusive series into exclusive series, you need to follow this process. So this is how you can convert one series into another. Differences are also given between these two series that you can study from your book. Now, open AND series. This is the third type of series, that is open AND series. It is the series which has the ANDs open. It means the class intervals are given as below 5, then 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 and above. Now you cannot say how much below 5, you cannot say how much above 20. This type of series are called open AND series because both the ANDs remain open. The ANDs are not closed in this type of series. Then we have the fourth type of series, that is cumulative frequency series. Cumulative frequency series is that series in which the frequencies are continuously added corresponding to each class interval in the series. These are continuously added. Just like if in normal series what is been given, less like 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. These are the normal series and the frequency 2, 4, 6, 8, 5. These are given in this way. Now if this is a cumulative frequency series, the class interval would be like 5 to 10. It might be like less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40. Now less than 10, 2, less than 20. Now less than 20, 6 and 4 and 2, 12. Less than 30, 8 and 5, 13, 13 and 6, 19, 23 and 2, 25. Or it can be made in the way more than 5, more than 10, more than 15, more than 20, more than 25. Now this time what it will be there, that more than 5 include all this. So 25. More than 10 includes these. More than 15. More than 20. And more than 25, that is 5. So this type of series are called cumulative frequency series. In this type of series, frequencies are given as total. It means the frequency of first class interval may include the frequency of other class intervals, or the frequency of other class interval may include the frequency of first class interval. So the frequencies are added up, they are not given separately. These are called the cumulative frequency series. Here we have two type of series, either the less than series or the more than series. In less than series, the frequencies of first class are added in second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. Just opposite, in the more than series, it goes in the other way. Then we have the mid value series. In the mid value series, the class intervals are given as the mid values, just like 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, in this way. They are not given as class interval or the more than or less than series. These are given as the mid values, and from there we calculate all the things. Now if in this type of series, if you want to convert and if you want to make it the class interval, what you will do, you will follow one formula, that is lower limit, this is for upper limit. M is equal to mid value minus half of I, M plus half of I. Now what is I? I is the difference between mid values. What is this? This is the difference between mid values. Suppose we want to convert this. So I is equal to 15 minus 5, that is 10. Okay. Now I will put up the formula here. M, mid value, minus half of I it means 10, that is 5 minus 5, it means 0. So first will be 0, then the second. M means 5 plus half of I, that is 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. So first interval will be 0 to 10. Then 15, half of I is equal to 5. So 15 minus 5, 10 to 20. 25 minus 5, 20. 25 plus 5, 30. 35 minus 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35 plus 5, 40. Then in the same way, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. So these are the type of Types of series. We have studied about all the types of series. The exclusive series, which excludes the upper limit of the class interval. Inclusive series, which includes the upper limit of class interval. Then open end series, which has the ends open. Cumulative series, which is prepared as more than and give than format, and which includes or excludes the frequency of next class interval. And then the mid value series, which has the mid values being given. Now how to convert inclusive into exclusive, how to convert mid value to the normal class interval, that we have studied today. Now what you need to do, you need to practice these for today. And now next time when we meet, we start with the miscellaneous questions which are given here on page number 81. So be prepared with that and practice. So this will be the end of your chapter. So you also can practice at home. We will surely solve here in the next video. Thank you.